At some point, you'll realize that the setup you put together half a year ago isn't working for you anymore. Your needs have changed since then. Maybe you don't have many spots left on your power strip. There are cables everywhere and in all the wrong places. Or maybe every time you move your audio interface, you have to adjust your computer too. In a house, there isn't all that much room for a studio. And there's usually clutter everywhere. So periodically, you have to clean up and start fresh. Every 6 months or so, you should rebuild your home studio to meet your new needs. First, clear off your workspace. Then think about where you ideally want everything to be. Try to position your equipment so that frequently used items are closest to you. Decide what you don't really need and store that somewhere else. Try setting things up so that anything you need to use regularly won't require moving everything else. Then figure out your power needs. Investing in a second power strip and an extension cord can save you lots of headaches. Next, clutter-proof your space. Do you have cables that always stay in the same place, like monitor cables? Try using a cable snake to keep them all together, organized, and out of the way. It's a good idea to have a place for everything, pens or CDs or cables that aren't being used, anything that turns into clutter. Organization will really help you have a more efficient studio. Periodically, you'll need to rebuild your studio as you continue to upgrade. Even though it's kind of annoying to do this, it's a good sign because it means that your studio is getting even better.